EnigmaCoinCollector here, and I know you were expecting a nickel hunt video to be posted next on the channel since I missed my usual Sunday time to post videos. But I came home today from work and found a package in my mailbox, and I just had to open it and share it with you because it's another US Mint product reveal. We're going to go over the 2022 United States Mint American Silver Eagle West Point Uncirculated American Silver Eagle dollar. Now, before I go into this, I do want to say that I'm expecting to have the usual type of unboxing video. I like to post them to show you what kind of new content is being delivered by the United States Mint. Now, barring any unforeseen circumstances where the coin or packaging was loose and the coin was bouncing around in transit and was damaged, and we'll talk about that if that's certainly the case, because we all know the United States Mint never does that. I do want to talk to you while we unbox this product about the current state of the American Silver Eagle program and what I think of it. So let me go and get the box and we'll start opening. All right, here is the box. I'm assuming this is going to be it. 2022 American Silver Eagle from West Point, uncirculated. So not the proof, just the uncirculated. So talking about the American Silver Eagle program, I am a little bit dismayed at all the different kinds of varieties of American Silver Eagles there are. And I know a lot of you are thinking the same thing as well. I mean, before too many years ago, it was pretty much 2 or 3 different kinds of ASCs that you would get to complete your collection. And I will fully admit that I'm a little bit of a completionist. So whenever there's a different variety, I'm going to want to get it. So I think the United States Mint is playing a little bit into that desire. Now, instead of them releasing 3, 4, 5, 6 different kinds of ASCs throughout an entire calendar year, what I would really like to see them do is to just release the uncirculated and the proof and maybe one more, and then focus all the specialty things on like making more Morgans or peace dollars or varieties there, so that it's a little bit more consistent. Because right now it kind of feels like the American Silver Eagle program is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and that's not something I really want to see. I kind of just want to keep it the same so that I can have that as my typeset. I know I'm going to get those 2 or 3 coins every year, and then if there's a specialty coin that they produce, I can choose whether or not I want to get it, because at the end of the day, I can't have everything because I have budgets. Anyway, those are my thoughts. Let's go ahead and get into this coin. By the way, if you've got something to say or add to what I just said, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. So here it is, the United States Mint 2022 American Silver Eagle 1 ounce uncirculated coin. You can see this is the new type of packaging that the Mint has employed for 2022. Black on black. So it looks like everything is in order. Here is the COA. Looks pretty much the same. And here is the coin itself, 2022 uncirculated, so it's not the proof. Let's see if I can get it out of the packaging. By the way, it's really easy to get them out if you take it, the whole plastic holder out, and then use this and pop it from the back. That way you're not going to try to get the coin out of the capsule. It's still a little bit hard, but yeah, there it is, the West Point mint mark. Let me take a look at these fields. Looks like I've got some dust right there above the mint mark, and what is quickly becoming a common theme of the United States Mint products. It's not perfect. I'm trying to get that on light. It's right about 1 o'clock from the W there. It looks to be 2 specks of dust in there. So it doesn't look like it's a scratch, but there's definitely something in there. So, and I imagine packaging these is very difficult, but still, come on, United States Mint 2022. So there it is. I'm going to probably get this sent off to get graded. Here, I'm still waiting on my PCGS order. I've got another PCGS order I want to put through, but man, it is just taking so long. So we'll see. When I do that, I will definitely put a video together so you can see what I'm sending out, and hopefully I get it back. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I do have the nickel hunt just about finished. It will get posted this coming Sunday, so if you were looking forward to that, I'm sorry, but I do like to release these videos on days that I get new coins to the United States Mint to show you what my experience has been like. Remember, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to click subscribe. If you got something to say, leave it in the comments below. I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And remember, It's always a mystery until you get your box from the United States Mint and see if the product inside is damaged or not. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one.